Yeah.
You realize you're still wearing mismatched shoes, don't you? What are you? What is that all about?
Take a picture of our birds.
Take a picture.
Well, tell me about your slippers.
See the birds.
I see the birds.
See the bird.
I see the bird. I'll give you the bird here in a minute. About your
And a bird pillow.
look, I can tell you all about birds here in about 10 seconds. Okay. Bird.
He's being silly.
Bird. Bird.
He's being
Bird.
silly.
Bird. 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 Bird.
He's just bird.
Bird.
Make sure that
Bird. Bird.
bird.
Bird. Duck. Bird. 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 Not bird. 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 I can even go into that case. Bird. Bird. Bird.
Oh,
Now.
yeah.
I know all about the birds. Now tell me about those mismatched shoes.
She has the other pair that matches them in the bedroom.
Close by, and I just pick one up instead of looking at it.
They feel the same, don't they? Right?
Yeah.
She said they feel the
Okay,
same.
I just wanted to make sure you knew what you were doing, and I wasn't going to have to ship you off